Samsung manufactures its own displays for usage in their own products. They also provide them to other corporations, like Apple. Every year, Samsung saves the greatest displays for its Ultra phones while supplying older displays with a year's worth of technology to others. This year, however, that has changed since the iPhone 14 Pro Max has a better display than the S23 Ultra. We're not sure why they did that, but hopefully they won't do it again with the S24 Ultra. According to South Korean media, Samsung will adopt a 13th Gen AMOLED screen named the M13 for the S24 Ultra, as well as all S24 versions. The new display screen is slimmer, more power efficient, and produces higher quality images. The iPhone 15 Ultra, interestingly, would feature 12th generation OLED screens, the M12, which Samsung has already used in their newest foldables, the Z Fold 5 and Flip 5. The M13 panels may not appear in Apple iPhones until the iPhone 16. We have learned that Samsung will keep the S24 Ultra's 3x telephoto lens, but it will be greatly improved. Details were few at the time, but we now know precisely what they enhanced with the telephoto lens. According to Ice Universe, Samsung will deploy a new 50MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. This is 5 times the resolution of the S23 Ultra's 10MP telephoto camera. This new camera will also feature a larger sensor, which means that not only will you get detailed photographs in movies with 3x zoom both during the day and at night, but the intermediate zoom levels, which are anywhere between 3x and 10x, will also benefit from this upgrade. The zoom cameras have essentially been the same since the S21 Ultra, so it's about time, in my opinion. The RAM and storage increases are also mentioned in the South Korean publication, matching prior reports. According to the report, Samsung will sell the S24 Ultra in 2 RAM configurations, 12GB and a huge 16GB. The S24 and S24 Plus will be available in 2 RAM configurations, 8GB and 12GB. It also states that the business intends to raise the standard capacity to 256GB across all models. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.